If you are trying to open Hostinger hPanel right now and it is not loading or you cannot log in, the problem may not be on your side. According to StatusGator, users are reporting problems with Hostinger hPanel frontend. Some of the top reported issues include service down or app not loading. So if hPanel is not working for you, it does not automatically mean that your password is wrong, or that your account is blocked, or your browser is broken. StatusGator is not an official Hostinger status page, but it is useful because it collects user reports and outage signals from different locations. So when many people report the same issue at the same time, that is a strong sign that this could be a wider outage or temporary service problem. Before you reset your password or change anything important, try these simple checks. First, refresh the page. Second, try incognito mode. Third, try another browser or your phone. Brave is very good for this. Fourth, turn off your VPN if you are using one. You should also turn off your ad block. And finally, check the Hostinger status page and StatusGator to see if other users are reporting the same problem. Web hosting still works, so this is strictly front-end issue. Check your actual website directly through your domain. Sometimes the website itself can still be online, even if the Hostinger control panel is temporarily unavailable. That means your visitors may still be able to access the site, but you cannot manage it from hPanel until the issue is resolved. The most important thing is, do not reset your password 5 times, do not change your DNS settings and do not panic. This is a wider hPanel issue, and the best thing you can do is wait and keep checking the status updates.